How to use location based optimized charging on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see click on privacy and security. Now you will see first option is location services, so click on location services. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see location services is on. So after turn on this button, go back to settings. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see click on battery. Now here, so click on battery health and charging. So you will see optimize battery charging. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use location based optimized charging on iOS 26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.